Hi everyone. So this is a test page. I created this test page myself using CMD. So this is it. This is Amazon 0N. This is a fake page. So this is the extension SentinU. I've tested it 3 times. So this is everything. So I'll try to enter a password so it wants me. This looks like a fake Amazon.com, Amazon 00, so that if I take me to Amazon, you can see this is a real Amazon site. This is a real one, Amazon 0N. So you can see it tells me to reconsider. So let's go to another testing. This one is all this online. Congratulations, you'll be accepted. So I will click analyze with SentinU. So wait a moment, it's loading. Wait a moment. So this is it. You can see SentinU malicious. This page uses high prayer social engineering tactics, so all that. So I will try to copy this fake, you can see fake security code. I'll copy it, then paste it in that input. You can see this page shows signs of scam. If I click leave this page, it's going to close this page automatically. So now let's click continue anyway. It wants me take a moment to reconsider unlocking. So that's all. Thanks.